4 wheels move the body. 2 wheels strip away the distractions. On a motorcycle, there's no room for noise, excuses, or fear. Only the road ahead and the moment you're living in. Every ride clears the mind, sharpens the senses, and reminds you what truly matters. In 2026, choose movement that frees your soul. Ride Vietnam on 2 wheels, ride with purpose, and let every mile bring you closer to yourself with Vietnam Motorbike Tours.
Oh, Roberto! Now, you can't say no to beautiful lady.